Little possum under the gas grill. He's a little guy. That's not Mr. Grundy. Maybe it's Mr. Grundy's child. They're so ugly, they're cute. Hey, what you doing? Looking for a handout? Yeah, you're just a baby. Baby possum. One question that I find in my inbox quite often, people ask, how much firewood do we use? A lot less than you would think, I'll tell you. And we are comfortable. Trust me. If we weren't comfortable, we would make changes so that we can be comfortable, because being comfortable is a good thing. You saw how much firewood we put up. I always like to have a lot more than we need. That way, just a good feeling. Got that feeling of security. This is February 15th, 16th, I think. I want to show you. We have barely taken any off of this here. This stuff is what we cut last winter on our other lot. So we brought home like one pickup load and we put that in the front, and that's what we use when it gets down below zero, because it's still a little bit green, so it's going to burn longer through the night. So we haven't used much off of there. Hey, look at all the wood we have left, man. Isn't that amazing? And you see, there's a fire burning in the shop right now. And this is the only wood pile we're working off of. The stack ended here. And this was full height. So this came all the way across to here and went across. So we have used a full stack, and then that full stack, and this amount here. We have all that firewood left. I mean, we're going to be burning for another 2 months anyway, but that is all the firewood we have used so far, and I've taken 4 or 5 sled loads down to the workshop, and there's a fire burning down there right now. So we have all of this here. Of course, we're going to keep taking from it, and we have all that firewood stacked up on the other lot that we cut. So we're in good shape, but we'll be burning in the greenhouse, 24 hours a day next year. So, but not a problem. With all the way the trees are dying off too, I mean, I can't even harvest all the firewood that's in the woods now. Crazy.
When you're living on the mountain in wintertime, just the simple task of checking the mail or uploading a video can come with an added twist. But you won't be hearing any complaints from us.
Just to upload a video. It's all right. It's a good day for a skidoo ride, I guess. I haven't started this in a few weeks. Hopefully it won't be in trouble. It's a good old machine.
Now, we use the skidoo on the nice days and the Ranger on tracks during the inclement weather. The Skidoo is much more fun. A bit quicker, too.
Alrighty, ready for the second leg of the journey? I gotta walk up to where the Jeep is parked, get that cleaned off, and then head to town. I can drive the Skidoo pretty close to where the library is, but I'm gonna go run some errands at the same time, so I need the Jeep. There you go.
Daddy's coming, yay!
Got a video off to YouTube land.
Well, you're gonna have to give that dog a ride. He's been nuts ever since you left.
Alright, I'll give him a little stick.
Okay, give me the computer and you take him.
Alright. Well, this thing is pretty plugged up. There's a 2-inch airspace that comes up over the oven, and then it goes down along the side, and I can feel it. It's just packed. I'm surprised the stove has been breathing and working at all. I mean, it's been heating just fine, holding fire, doing everything we expect it to do, and cooking good too. But normally, if you set everything right, it'll shoot up to 350 degrees in no time. And it was only going up around 275. It would still bake everything really nicely, but we were just like, why can't we get the oven up to 350? And even with the fire blazing, so it's like, oh, it's just not breathing good, and we opened it up, it was plugged. So, we're getting it taken care of. It's just one of the downfalls of cooking with wood. There's maintenance to it, but the pros still outweigh the cons.
Right here. Good to help. What's that? Oh yeah. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? You like this job? You don't know? What? Hey. I thought you were gonna help me.
You're gonna help Daddy?
Tuesday. You don't know? You don't know? Are you gonna let me
As good as it's gonna get, I think.
It looks better. It looks good.
Yeah, I think we have a problem.
What's your problem?
There was a flashlight sitting here.
Oh, no.
Ah.
Can you reach it?
Oh, yep, I feel it. Hang on.
Good thing for skinny arms.
I got it. I got it.
Good thing. Yeah, I don't want that.
Thank goodness I realized that.
I know.
Wow. That wouldn't have been good.
Looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Nice and clean. She'll breathe good now. So we have our nice crispy chicken wings now. We'll be glad we did that.
And we might want to treat ourselves to those tonight after
That
this
sounds
dirty
good.
job.
Yeah.
I think that's a plan.
Uh-huh. Here we go. She's breathing good now. We're back in action. I want to clear up a little misconception here. People think that I just like saying bubble foil. It's much easier than saying reflectix, radiant barrier, insulation, don't you think?
Bubble foil is the answer! Bubble foil is the answer!
It's called reflectix, but the boss man's got the whole damn neighborhood babbling bubble foil.
Bubble foil! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Bubbly wobbly bubble foil, hee hee hee. Bubble foil, bubble foil, bubble foil, bubble foil. Bubble foil. It's reflectix. Bubble foil. It's reflectix. It's bubble foil. Reflectix. Bubble foil. Reflectix. Bubble foil! Woo-hoo! Bubble foil, bubble foil, bubble foil, bubble foil. Quit calling it bubble foil. It's reflectic radiant barrier.
Bubble foil! The whole damn neighborhood's babbling bubble foil.
bubble foil, Reflectix. Bubble foil, bubble foil, bubble foil, bubble foil. It's not bubble foil, it's Reflectance Radiant Barrier Insulation!
Frankie and the boss out walking in the woods, living life happy and free. Tracks in the snow everywhere they go, there's a pokey way up in that tree. A beaver built a pond where they have some fun, taking life a day at a time. Best friends until the end, Frankie and the boss, Frankie and the boss, Frankie and the boss.